This sketch looks like a giant bird. Leonardo drew it on aged paper. The frame is made of light wood. Thin canvas stretches across the wings. Clockwork cranks sit near the torso. Workers would turn the crank by hand. The motion would flap the wings up and down. Flapping creates lift, like a real bird does. Leonardo hoped the lift would raise the pilot. The pilot sits in a small seat at the chest. He imagined using his own muscles to power flight. The design is simple yet clever. The wings have a slight curve for better airflow. The shape mimics a swan in flight. Every line in the sketch shows careful study. The notes explain where to place a pulley. The drawing feels like a gift from nature. Aesthetic-wise, the sketch has soft shading. Hatching gives depth to the wooden ribs. The overall look feels like a poem in ink. The idea was far ahead of its time. Nobody could build it in the 1500s. Materials were too heavy for real flight. Engines did not exist yet either. The concept waited 500 years. Modern drones finally fly with similar wing beats. Engineers study the same wing bend today. They use carbon fiber instead of wood. They add electric motors where Leonardo used a crank. The spirit of the sketch lives on. Watching a drone buzz feels like seeing Leonardo's bird. The Ornithopter reminds us that imagination drives progress. It shows how art and engineering can unite. If Leonardo had seen a drone, he might have smiled. He loved to turn dreams into drawings. Today we honor his vision by building flying machines that look like birds. The sketch still inspires makers and kids alike. It proves that a simple idea can echo through centuries.